Funding is an important aspect of any startup. In order to get the funding, you have to meet several investors and convince them of your product or idea. Having a proper dress style can go a long way in leaving a good impression on a potential investor. Here, we have taken tips from some of the biggest venture capitalists and put them down for you. So when the day comes, your clothes sell you almost as well as your pitch will. Always be comfortable. If you're wearing something that you're not used to, your discomfort will be evident to the investor. This doesn't, however, mean that you can walk into an interview in a hoodie and Crocs. If you're not used to wearing stiff suits, you should avoid them and consider a simple button-down and trousers. Keep it simple. You can't go wrong with a traditional shirt and suit. If you don't know enough about the investor or are unsure about the kind of meeting you will have, choose a simple, formal outfit. Quick tip: do a basic search on the person you're supposed to meet. Did you know that the Chinese always wear suits to conduct business? If you can, wear your product. This tip doesn't apply to all situations. However, if it's possible, relate your wardrobe choices to the product you're selling. If you're selling a VR game, then a shirt with your logo will help sell your concept. Crush the interview, not your clothes. Don't forget the basics. Brushed hair and iron clothes or suit can go a long way in making a long-lasting impression. Smell good. Remember, deodorant and cologne are important, but within limits. Smell good, but don't overwhelm their senses. They should know you care about your appearance, not that you bathe in aftershave. Be groomed. Ensure your nails are trimmed and clean, as you need to give the impression that you are a well-groomed individual. They need to know that they can trust you with their money. If you don't take care of yourself, how will you take care of a business? Don't be a sore thumb. Your outfit should not make you stick out like a sore thumb. Always consider the venue when approaching attire. If you're meeting in an office, go a more formal route. However, if you're meeting at a coffee shop, then business casual is more appropriate. Shoes are meant for impressing. Shoes are important. Your shoes need to make people think they wouldn't mind walking in your shoes. If you're unsure, you can't go wrong with black or brown leather. Don't even think about flip-flops, Crocs, or sandals. It is important to understand that there are several things that go into a successful meeting, and first impressions do matter. Maybe you've been working hard to impress the investors, but haven't been able to find the perfect outfit to go with your pitch. These tips we've rounded out might just help you ace it.